Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome back, everyone. We're starting the day off with Dixie on a daily time frame, and as you can see, we have a little bit of a bullish divergence from the close of last week, and we have the opening, but unfortunately, we are a little bit under the resistance at 102.60. Today is going to be a day of wait and see. Are we going to get that back above 102.60 before the daily close, or are we going to go and test back down into the lower $101.29 area level, which has been holding us up in a rising trend line of support this entire time for, I want to say, like 5 months, 6 months. So if we can hold it, that'd be great. If we can claim back above that blue EMA, which is over here at 102.60, and then close the day maybe above this 21 EMA cross down, that would be great. Even going sideways here would be great, giving oscillators time to calm down before upside. So right now, that's what we're looking for, the day to close and see where this ends. If this closes above the blue EMA and goes sideways, we have opportunity for us to break back above the 200 EMA over here at 103.60, which is basically a dollar above, or we're going to lose a dollar. And as this comes to its conclusion, it is going to affect Bitcoin and Ethereum accordingly. So be aware of that. Yesterday we had a little bit of a CME gap. We were above the price, and CME was like $10 under us, and now we are actually $10 under the price. As soon as CME opened, we saw a quick push back down to the market. So just be aware of that. Let me start off with Bitcoin on a daily because we already did CME. As we open, we got a nice little float back up off the 21 EMA, coming right into our resistance over here at 30,500 until we can claim a 4-hour open and close above 30,500. I'm looking for this to roll over and then eventually lose this 21 EMA. Probably even come down to the support, the next support over here at 28,700 ish. So just be aware of that. 27, is it 27? I meant 28,000 500 to 28,700 around there. I expect it to like come and see if it's gonna find support there, and that's if we lose this 21 EMA in this descending channel formation, right? If we can claim above that 30,500 with a 4-hour open and close, I'll be looking for us to test into that $30,600 level. And then after that, we can go look if we're going to test back up to 31,500 or not. As of right now, 31,500 is a pretty solid resistance, even though we made a higher high, but the liquidity has been grabbed and it was a very hard rejection. So us coming back, testing back into this bottom of the order block would not surprise me over this week. So if we get that 4-hour open and close underneath 29,600, I'll be looking for 28,600 or 27,600. Mind you, these are all $1,000 drops. And if we get above 30,500, I'll look for that $1,000 pop to 31,500 and then 32,500 above that. So Bitcoin is moving in ranges of 1,000. Let me see if we can see anything foretelling on the 4-hour. 4 hour is actually looking for sideways and up. We've actually found nice support on this 100 EMA, and we're trying to avoid this crossover of the EMAs to continue to the downside. And doing so, to do so, we need to get a 4-hour open and close above 30,500, basically, this little wick over here. And doing so will give us a new target of 31.5 to take out the liquidity that's been sitting up there, probably in stops for the people who are shorting. And whoever shorted and didn't take profit on these few minor drops is probably going to regret it as this comes to hunt them back out. So be aware of that moving forward. Now let's go look at ETH on a daily. Here is ETH on a daily, little bit weaker than Bitcoin. We are actually under the 21 EMA on ETH, and it looks like this is a head and shoulder formation, making this dead cat. So even if we get to 1900, it's a possible point to take a short for us to roll on over, and then probably, I'm looking for maybe like low, yeah, 1780-ish. 1785 is what I would be looking for as a target after this actually rolls on over. The second you get a 4-hour open and close underneath 1850, that's your warning sign for that low 1800s to come. If it's bullish, it'll be a higher low, but I'm looking for at least around here, like 1780. Looking left, you can see why we've used this blue line as support in the past. Before, if you lose a blue line, it becomes resistance. It's hard to get above it. Once you get above it, you use it as support. It's hard to get under it. So I would use this as support and look for continuation upside if we can hold sideways in this area. Yeah, if we get the 4-hour above 1900, I would be looking for 1980. If we get the 4-hour under 1850, I'll be looking for that 1780 area. And that's what I'm seeing on the daily. Let's go quickly to the 4-hour. And 4-hour is kind of doing the same thing as Bitcoin, showing you like upside potential. But the fact that all the EMAs are under the 100 EMA and we're fighting this 200 EMA with this red dash line, meaning this is as high as we want to go or consider this support. So we're fighting for this level over here at this 1850, 1860. Once you have a 4-hour above 1865, you can look for that 1880 or higher. If you can't get above this 1850 with 4-hour open and close, you're probably going to go look for the next level, which is the 1820, and then probably like that 1780 that I discussed earlier. So those are the levels that we're looking for right now on Bitcoin and ETH. Aside from that, guys, we have initial jobless reports come in. We have retail sales coming this week. We have the Fed is going to decide its interest rate on the 26th of July. So all this data is going to basically point the Fed to the direction of if we're going to do a quarter point increase or not this Fed meeting. So please be aware of that and how the price is probably going to be priced into the markets accordingly. So if the market is expecting them to put on a pause, you'll see us float up into the highs before the news for us to come down just a little bit, like a retest. But if the market thinks that we are going to hike, then I mean, we can float down for us to have the Fed reconsider that decision before the time comes. So the market is going to, try to price in the decision, and it's for us to interpret it and take risk accordingly if we're going to trade it. So please be advised and trade carefully. I will see you guys in the next one. So if you guys have any questions or concerns, leave it in the comment section below. If there are other assets you would want me to cover, leave in the comment section below and I'll get you in the next one. If you want to trade with us live or go over anything live and you have a question that needs answering, feel free to join me on the Discord server. The link to the server is in the description of this video below, alongside all the other affiliate services that I use and recommend to help this channel grow. So thank you so much, guys, for your help and support. I will see you guys in the next one. Have a great day. Be safe. And if anything, I'll see you in the live. Bye-bye.